Hello and welcome, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing the Amazon Basics carrying case for a GoPro. So this is how it comes. As you can see, there's a box and isn't much information given. It's just a box. Let's just go ahead and open it. Okay, so once you open it, you get the case. There isn't anything else. This is the case. It's a black case. And okay, so it's quite neat, quite high quality. As you can see, there's a handle for you to carry it, and there are zips. There's a zip. Just go ahead and unzip it and open it up. So there you are. So you can remove that and you can put your GoPro in there. The foam comes already cut out, okay, for keeping all of your other various accessories. And once your GoPro, and there's a little on the top, as you can see, there's this netting with a zip again to protect it, protect any other accessories of yours that go in here. And it's quite a sturdy, hard case which should protect your GoPro and the accessories from any damage, say when you're traveling. And this is quite rugged and quite sturdy. So there you are, folks. That was the unboxing of the Amazon Basics carrying case for a GoPro. We hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.